Good morning. Let's see if we can take a look at your problem. Let's go to camp registration. And then I'm going to select register online and pay with your credit or debit card. I'm going to put some test information here. Test mail. Test. All the same stuff. Alabama, 7. Just putting fake stuff in here so we can get through the form. All right, now let's get to the good part. We're gonna go sports, athletic camp. Second camp. Now you said you did an academic camp, so let's go to academic. Here's your academic. All 3 sections show, so let me just choose one over here. Third academic camp. All right, and you also said you did a third academic camp. You said athletics showed up. Right now I'm showing that academic camp type 3 is showing up. And all 3 categories are the same. What I would suggest is you refresh your browser and see if that helps. If not, then give me a call on Monday. My phone number is 631-271-2020, extension 324. Thank you.